Do you work in a feature factory? You might work in a feature factory if your company funds projects on an annual basis. Your stakeholders ask for 12-month roadmaps, or your sales teams don't let you talk to customers. If this is you, it might feel impossible to do continuous discovery. But you can. I'll show you how. In a feature factory, you can start with solution discovery. Start with whatever solution you're working on next, and break it down into its underlying assumptions. The way to do this is start by mapping out what your customers need to do to get value from that solution. Then go step by step through that map and ask, what needs to be true in order for my customer to take this step? That's going to help you start to see the assumptions that your solutions depend upon. Even if you never test these assumptions, doing this work to identify them will clarify your thinking. It shows you where you're asking too much of your customer. It helps you improve your solutions. And it's an easy way to get started with continuous discovery, even in a feature factory.